Sometimes when cooking we need to use boiling water. Now this can be dangerous, but here are a few tips to keep you safe. So first of all, here's some boiling water. One of the first things that can happen is actually as you heat that pan up, the handle can get a little bit hot, certainly if it's an all metal pan and if you've got a bit of flame going up the side of the pan. So if in doubt, wear an oven glove to carry. Use both hands when carrying, certainly if it's a full pan of water, and if it's got two handles, use two handles. Don't try and be a hero and do it one-handed. The next thing is you'll probably have to move this pan of boiling water when you come to drain it. So make sure the coast is clear and you've got somewhere to put it down when you get there. Also, there's no rush, move steady and slowly. When you're putting things into boiling water, don't drop it from a great height because it will just splash you with the boiling water. Add things away from you, or if you're a bit nervous, put things on a spoon, a big spoon, and just lower things in, and there's no splashing at all. So when dealing with boiling water, there's nothing to be scared of, just stay safe. Don't forget there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go, or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy.